thank you so much for watching and welcome. I'm Stacy, and in today's video we are decorating the front porch. So let's get started. All right, we already have a few things on our porch, and my most favorite thing is the fan just above me. We recently picked that up from Home Depot, and it has been a great addition to the front porch. For those of you that don't know, we're located in South Florida and it can get quite warm out here. We've found that the fan has been great for keeping us cool. It's also been perfect for keeping the bugs away as well. So I will link it below, but if you don't have a fan on your front porch, I highly recommend considering adding one on. Just make sure that it is a fan that can be used outdoors as well. So I have a few flowers that I picked up. I cannot wait, they're so exciting. But we picked this container up at Lowe's right over here. Let me bring that in close for you guys. And what I like about this container is that it is raised a little bit. They have these flowers already ready to go. And that is right here, it's called, let me get this guy up. This is the Ready Refill. Now, I don't really have much of a green thumb, quite frankly, so I thought, all right, these are perfect. Let's start out with these Ready Refills. I have fertilized it. Hopefully it will stay nice and beautiful and in bloom. If not, we might resort to fake flowers, guys. So I'll keep you posted when I decorate for Easter. I'll give you an update as far as the porch, how the flowers held up and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, check this out. It's called Ready Refill. Let me bring that in closer for you guys. So pretty much what you do is you pick out the plant you like, then you find a coordinating pot that is made for these Ready Refill flowers. Just add it right in there just like this. And voila, you are good to go. But check this out. I mean, what an easy way to have your flowers on display with not having to deal with adding dirt and all of that other stuff and everything else. So again, I'll keep you posted. Hopefully these guys will stay alive for us. So we are gonna add this onto the porch. Before I start adding everything on, I'm going to try to show you everything too real quick. Behind me I also have two chairs that we did pick up at Walmart. I believe they were $40 each. Inexpensive chairs, just a black simple chair. Ideally I'd like to get a rocking chair. Right now I'm looking for a rocking chair. So if any of you guys know of a great place I can find one, let me know, link it below. I want a nice solid wood rocking chair. My husband and I are considering heading off to Cracker Barrel because I know they do sell their rocking chairs up at front. So hopefully I'll make it up there soon and check out, see what they have and everything else. But alrighty, I do have two wreaths I just recently picked up at Kirkland's. I did buy them when they were on sale last weekend. I think they were running 20% off. They do, if you're not signed up for their email, make sure you guys sign up for kirklands.com and you'll get coupons as well, because I also got an email for a coupon for 25% off, which helped me purchase this guy right over here. So hold on, let me pick him up for you. And that's this whiskey barrel. Check this out. Oh my gosh, isn't this thing awesome, guys? So I have the tag with me. Oh, put that down there. But I have the tag with me to show you guys more details about this. It weighs about 25 pounds. But yeah, I just ordered that. Let me bring that in closer. I ordered this directly from kirklands.com, their website. It was shipped directly to their store free of charge. They were going to charge $25 to ship it to my home, and I thought I'll just pick it up at the store. But they actually would not honor the coupon at the store, so that's why I did order it online. Saved the 25%, so it came up to about $150. And then of course free shipping because I had it shipped to the store. It arrived within 7 business days, so that was pretty quick. So, but they do have other colors too. They had a black one as well. I got this one in the light finish. Like, oh my goodness, check this baby out. Isn't it cool? It's so nice. I kind of feel like Donkey Kong. Remember playing Donkey Kong as a kid? Ah, good times. Alrighty, the next thing I picked up is, oh, this guy right over here. Look at these beautiful colors. Now guys, I love colors. I love bright colors. So yeah, anything with all this extra, like the yellow, the red, and the orange is just a favorite of mine. So, but I picked this up at Walmart actually. I think it was like $8.97. And it came in this pretty yellow pot. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna just keep this in the pot as it is. I think it's perfect. Again, just added some fresh fertilizer. I have been watering it, and he's been looking so good. So hopefully it'll stay that way. And let's see, I got more of those flowers. All right, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna basically bring everything in, show you guys around, and yeah, so let's go. So the porch everything's in place and just looks so great. I just love all the colors of the flowers and everything. I have 2 yellow flowers up at the front. As you walk up to the first couple steps, you have the welcome mat that I just recently picked up from Target. Now I keep the welcome mat over here because I found that it does interfere with opening the front door. It's just a little too thick, even though I tried to pick up the thinnest version I could find. Let me know what you guys think. If I should try to find another rug to add up into the front or just leave it as it is. I have all the pretty flowers over here. Like I said, the yellow ones I picked up at Walmart. Check out this cute watering can. Found that at Target, and not only is it adorable, but it helps me water the plant, so works out really great. Then I have the 2 pillows with the little lemons I added on there. Lemonade, I picked those up from Hobby Lobby. Those pillows are from the Spring Shop, so they're currently running their sale on their Spring Shop, 40% off. Then I have 3 more sets of flowers over here with the nice crate, wooded crate that I've actually picked up at Hobby Lobby this past fall. So it has more of a weathered look because it has been outside a little bit longer than the other one I just recently picked up at Michael's. But you can paint the craft crates. I prefer them to leave them as they are and just let the weather give it that weathered look and everything. And then of course the whiskey barrel, which, oh my goodness, I just love this whiskey barrel, having the flower right there on top. And you know, a little table for your lemon water or lemonade, whatever you prefer to drink. And then of course I just picked up a couple wreaths at Kirkland's. I did buy those when they were on sale, and I thought, you know what, this is just a wreath I can keep year round, and around the Easter time I'm going to add in little Easter decoration elements and all that good stuff, so stay tuned for that video. There's one thing I do want to mention, that when you consider adding a lot of fresh flowers to your front porch, and that is be prepared to have some friendly visitors. So we have Barry the Bee, we've named him, flying around and doing his little thing with our flowers. He doesn't bother anybody, he just kind of flies around. I've had to move the flowers around a couple times, and he just keeps going with the flowers, doesn't bother me one bit. So we do enjoy our visitor, Barry the Bee, and hopefully you'll have a friendly visitor as well if you have lots of fresh flowers on your porch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!